let's be clear, doing business online is really hard now. You've got algorithms which are making it increasingly difficult to get any visibility online. You've got increasing use of AI, which is essentially meaning that anyone can produce anything. You've got so many channels to choose from, and of course you've got so little time. My name is David Taylor, and I'm really delighted that I'm going to be running a workshop in the Fellow Business Centre which aims to demystify all of this and actually help you create a very simple marketing plan which actually works. We're going to concentrate really on 4 key areas. Understanding how you can maximise your visibility, getting the most out of Google, creating really dynamic content, and most importantly, measuring how all of this actually impacts upon your bottom line. It's 2 hours long, and at the end of it, you will have a very simple marketing plan that you can actually and practically put into place. Really look forward to seeing you there.